Hello, dear distinguished people. My name is Dr. Abdelghani Fawad Hussain. Welcome to a new lecture from our training course. The complete collection of search engine optimization strategy templates with step-by-step instructions. How to Yoast your post. Do you want your articles to be as well optimized as possible? Do you aim for that #1 position in the search results? And do you madly chase traffic and clicks? It's not easy to achieve all these things entirely on your own, but luckily, Yoast is here to help. In this post, we'll talk you to the process of optimizing your post in the best possible way. We'll explain the 5 steps on how to Yoast your post. Writing comes first, Yoast comes second. Optimizing your post is important, but should never come first. Writing has 3 phases. It doesn't really matter if you're writing a blog post or an article, or a novel even. First, you prepare, then you write, and finally you edit. In that final editing phase, you will be able to Yoast your post. Preparation is key. Before you start writing an article, you should ask yourself some questions. What will be the main message of your post? What do you want to tell people? And who are my readers? What search terms do I want to be found for? You need to know who you are writing for and what their goal or search intent is. What does that mean for the key words you should use to be found in the search engines? You should take some time to think about what you want to tell your audience and what the structure of your text will look like. Preparing your blog post is crucial. If you do not think about these questions long and hard, you'll make mistakes like addressing the wrong audience, focusing on the wrong keywords, or writing an article that's badly structured and unfocused. Write your content. After you've thoroughly prepared your blog post or article, you can start the writing phase. Make sure to start with filling out your focus key phrases and synonyms. What are the terms you want to be found for?